Cambodia's national stock exchange is the Cambodia Securities Exchange, CSX. The goal of the exchange is to promote high economic growth by enabling money flows, investment and reallocation through capital market mechanisms. The Canadia Tower in Phnom Penh, Cambodia's capital, serves as the exchange's headquarters. With a total market capitalization of $103.1 million as of 2016, CSX was claimed to have the smallest overall market capitalization of any stock exchange in the world for its listed businesses. The market cap hit $2.4 billion in June 2021. There are 7 companies listed on the exchange, and they are denominated in Cambodian riels. Cambodia's economy is presently based on an open market system, and the country made significant economic growth over the previous decade. In 2018, Cambodia's GDP was $25 billion. Despite its rapid growth, the country's per capita income remains low in comparison to most of its neighbours. Textiles and tourism are Cambodia's 2 largest industries, but agricultural activities remain the primary source of income for many Cambodians living in rural areas. Trading operations and catering-related services are largely concentrated in the service sector. Offshore oil and natural gas deposits have recently been discovered in Cambodia. With a GDP of $3 billion in 1995, the government changed the country's economic structure from a planned to a market-driven system. Following these adjustments, growth was expected to be 7%, with inflation falling from 26% in 1994 to only 6% in 1995. Imports grew as a result of the flood of international help, and exports increased as well, notably from the country's clothing sector. Despite consistent economic development, the ASEAN economy only grew by 0.71% in 2016, compared to 37.62% for her neighbour Indonesia. Cambodia's foreign policy is now focused on building amicable borders with its neighbours, such as Thailand and Vietnam, and integrating into regional and global economic systems. The need for a stronger education system and a trained workforce are some of the challenges that this growing economy faces, particularly in the poverty-stricken countryside, which suffers from inadequate basic infrastructure. Cambodia, despite its low salaries, abundant labour, closeness to Asian raw supplies and favourable tax treatment, continues to draw investors. Cambodia's garment industry accounts for the majority of the country's manufacturing sector, accounting for 80% of the country's exports. Non-resident investors may be required to pay the 14% withholding tax on capital gains from the sale of direct shares in a Cambodian company as Cambodian source income. Equity research on the Cambodian market can be done through the National Institute of Statistics of Cambodia website. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.